You're losing money every single day, and you don't even realize it. Inflation is rising, jobs are disappearing, and AI is replacing human workers. But what if I told you that in 2025, you could learn a skill that guarantees financial freedom without a college degree? Stay with me until the end, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 12 high-income skills that could make you $10,000 per month or more if you act fast. Most people are stuck in a job they hate, stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, stuck watching opportunities slip away. The world is changing faster than ever before. New technology, automation, and AI are making traditional jobs obsolete. If you don't adapt, you'll be left behind. But if you learn the right skills now, you can become recession-proof, AI-proof, and future-proof. Did you know that 60% of jobs could be automated by 2030? Companies aren't looking for just employees anymore. They want specialists, problem solvers, people who bring money in. If you don't develop a skill that makes businesses money or saves them time, your career is at risk. But don't worry, because I'm about to show you exactly what to do. Here are 12 high-income skills that are in massive demand in 2025, and how you can master them fast. High-income skill number 1, AI prompt engineering. Companies are paying up to $335,000 per year for AI prompt engineers. If you can craft high-quality AI prompts, you can make a fortune without coding. Imagine being able to command AI to generate entire marketing campaigns, automate customer service, or even create viral social media content with just a few words. The power of AI is like a magic wand in the hands of those who understand how to wield it. Start by experimenting with ChatGPT, learning how to generate optimized prompts, and taking courses on AI-driven content creation. High-income skill number 2, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Cybercrime is expected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. If you know how to protect businesses from cyber threats, you'll be in high demand. Every day, hackers are breaking into systems, stealing data, and crippling companies. What if you could be the hero who stops them? The best part? Companies don't just want protection, they'll pay a fortune for peace of mind. Start by learning ethical hacking on platforms like Hack the Box, enrolling in courses like Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and practicing penetration testing techniques. High-income skill number 3, software development and no-code automation. Coding is great, but no-code platforms like Bubble and Zapier let you automate businesses without writing a single line of code. Imagine setting up an entire business system that works 24/7 while you sleep. No-code is the ultimate shortcut to building, scaling, and automating businesses. If you can learn how to streamline operations and save companies time, they will pay you handsomely. Begin by exploring tools like Zapier for automation, Bubble for app development, and Webflow for no-code websites. High-income skill number 4, digital marketing and growth hacking. Companies don't need more employees, they need people who bring customers in. If you can master digital marketing and turn $1 into $5, businesses will chase you with offers. Imagine launching a simple TikTok or Facebook ad and watching sales explode overnight. Businesses live and die by customer acquisition, and if you can master this skill, you'll never be out of work. Learn Facebook ads, Google PPC, and TikTok marketing, and practice running real ad campaigns with small budgets to gain experience. High-income skill number 5, UX/UI design. The digital world is crowded, and businesses are desperate to stand out. If a website or app looks ugly, people won't buy, won't subscribe, won't trust. UX/UI designers are the ones shaping how people experience the digital world, and companies are willing to pay premium rates for experts. Imagine designing an app that millions of people love using every day. That's the power of UX UI. Start by learning Figma, Adobe XD, and design principles that make digital experiences smooth and irresistible. High-income skill number 6, video editing and content creation. The internet runs on video. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, all booming, all desperate for quality content. Brands, influencers, and businesses are searching for editors who can transform raw footage into engaging stories. Imagine having the power to turn an ordinary clip into a viral sensation. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment, just skill. Start by learning Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even CapCut. Study storytelling, pacing, and effects that keep people hooked. High-income skill number 7, copywriting and persuasive writing. Words sell, period. Every email, ad, and sales page you see was written by someone who understands human psychology. Copywriting is the skill of using words to make people feel, think, and buy. Imagine crafting an email that prints money on demand or writing a product description that turns browsers into buyers. Start by studying classic copywriting formulas like PAS, Problem Agitate Solution, and AIDA, Attention Interest Desire Action. Read books like The Boring Letters and Cashvertising. The best copywriters don't just write, they influence. High-income skill number 8, sales and high-ticket closing. Sales is the ultimate high-income skill. The best salespeople don't chase money, money chases them. If you know how to sell, you'll never be broke. Imagine being able to hop on a 30-minute call and close a $10,000 deal. That's what high-ticket closers do every single day. The beauty of sales, it's recession-proof, AI-proof, and always in demand. Start by learning the art of persuasion, studying sales scripts, and practicing real calls. High-income skill number 9, blockchain and Web3 development. The internet is evolving, and Web3 is the future. Blockchain developers are creating the next generation of apps, finance systems, and digital ownership. Imagine building the next big decentralized platform or creating smart contracts that power billion-dollar industries. The demand is skyrocketing, but the number of experts is still shockingly low. Start by learning Solidity, smart contract development, and decentralized finance, DeFi concepts. The future belongs to those who build it. High-income skill number 10, e-commerce and dropshipping. People are spending billions online every single day. The question is, how do you get a slice of that pie? E-commerce and dropshipping let you sell products online without ever touching inventory. Imagine waking up to thousands of dollars in sales, all automated. The secret: finding trending products, running targeted ads, and optimizing your store for conversions. Start by learning Shopify, finding reliable suppliers, and mastering Facebook and TikTok ads. High-income skill number 11, personal branding and social media influence. In 2025, attention is currency. If you can build an audience, you can monetize it. The biggest influencers don't just post content, they build personal brands that print money. Imagine having 100,000 loyal followers hanging on to your every word. That kind of influence turns into coaching programs, courses, sponsorships, and high-ticket deals. Start by picking a niche, consistently creating valuable content, and engaging with your audience daily. High-income skill number 12, business consulting and coaching. Experience is valuable, but only if you know how to sell it. Business owners are constantly looking for mentors, strategists, and consultants who can help them scale and solve problems. If you've mastered any high-income skill, you can turn your knowledge into a consulting business that pays you thousands per client. Imagine getting paid just to give advice and create strategies. Start by identifying your expertise, positioning yourself as an authority, and learning the fundamentals of consulting and coaching. Here's the truth: the world rewards action takers. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't: one simple decision. Right now you have a choice. Scroll away and stay the same, or pick one skill. Start learning today and change your future forever. Which skill will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.